Hey everyone, this is a continuation of washer drain pump replacement. You can refer to the link below for instructions on how to remove the pump from washer. So here is our new motor from Amazon. It cost me 25 bucks. So just open this guy. Here is the old one. Okay. I'm not sure about the impedance test, so I'm gonna see how much these two measure. Okay, that's 14 for the old. Let's see for the new. Well, that's 15, so it's pretty much the same. Okay, I'm gonna go install the new motor in the casing. Okay, let's just verify the holes and the pins line up properly. Okay, it looks good, so let's move with the next step. So everything looks good. Motor is fixed into the pump assembly. So let's cover the main drain hole and install the pump assembly inside the washer. It's a pain to record and move the pump at the same time, but once the pump is in the proper location, you just go to the front and pull the drain pipe so everything is in place. I'm gonna get the bolts in, and I'm not gonna tighten it completely, just keep it loose, and then proceed with connecting all the hoses, and then don't forget to clamp them properly. It was easy. Next is the drain outlet. It's good that this thing slide. Okay. Get the clamp. And then the last one. And finally unwrap the power cord and plug it in. Okay, all done. Okay, let's do a quick rinse and spin. Okay, that's enough for rinse. Let's go to spin. Moment of truth. There you go. Hey, now I've been so happy. Look at that. Everything good. Let's check for the leaks on the back side. Yeah, it sounds weird. Okay, that's not a good sign. It's leaking. So I'm going to stop and try to remove and tighten all the connections. Okay, now I know why it's leaking. See that rubber gasket or the seal? It's not sitting properly. It's a little bit offset, and that's what is causing the leak. So we just need to position the gasket properly. So if you pull along the blades, the rotor should pop out just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna reposition the gasket properly so it sits in the groove. So when you replace the motor, pay attention to this gasket, otherwise you'll be doing the work twice like what I did. Okay. Okay, let's redo the whole thing. So, and let's make sure that it seals properly this time. Okay, I can see the water draining and I don't see any signs of leak. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tighten the bolts and clamp everything and leave this open and running for a day or two, ensure that there is no leak, and then we are all good. Okay, so it does look daunting at first, but it's pretty simple after I have done it like 2 times. Maybe this step-by-step video helps you. So hopefully if you do have a leak, this video helps you. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.